Hello children, welcome back to grade 7 Computer Digital Learning Platform. Children, today I am going to introduce chapter number 2, Formulas and Functions in Excel. Let's understand learning outcome of today's session. We are learning to know and develop the skill of creating basic formulas in Excel. Let's begin. One of the important attributes of Excel is its ability to perform calculations either using a formula or a function. In this chapter, you will learn the basics of formulas and functions and how they can be used in different scenarios. Formulas are the user-defined instructions to perform calculations, whereas functions are the predefined or inbuilt formulas that come with Excel. Let's begin formulas in Excel. Formulas are used to perform calculations involving addition, subtraction, division and multiplication, etc. A formula establishes a relationship between two or more cells. A formula is an expression that can include cell addresses, numbers, arithmetic operators and parentheses. Using it, you can perform simple as well as complex calculations. A formula must begin with equal to symbol followed by cell references and operators. Let's learn about elements of formulas. Formula may contain a few or all of the below mentioned elements. References: a cell or a range of cells that you want to include in your calculation. Operators: symbols, plus, minus, multiplication, exponent, percentile, dollar, hash, etc. that specify the calculation to be performed. Constants. Constants are the numbers or text values that do not change. Functions. Functions are the predefined formulas in Excel. Children, let's understand elements of formulas using one example. Here we have an example. Cell address E2, B2, C4, E3, E5 are the cell addresses. Equal to symbol. Mathematical operators plus multiplication equal to symbol. Mathematical operators plus multiplication and subtraction. Sum is a function. E3 to E5 are the range. Children, hope you understood about formulas and elements of formulas. Let's create a basic formula in Excel. Children, here I opened Excel sheet and I have entered the data. Now I want to calculate total sale by using a basic formula. Basic formula involves only one type of operator in it. Let us use it to calculate the sum of the numbers in B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7, and I want to display the result on B8. Click on the cell B8 where you want to display the result and type equal sign. Now click on B2. Now you can see the cell reference in formula bar as well as in B8. Now type plus symbol. Repeat the steps to select all the numbers. You can notice that different colored border around the cell. Now press enter key to see the result. Now we have created a basic formula to calculate the total sale. Children, is it easy? Yes. Now we will understand the one of the shortcut key. To copy the same formula into another cell, use Ctrl plus apostrophe. I will show it how to use this. Place the cursor where you want to copy the formula and press Ctrl key and apostrophe. Is it copied, children, the formula? Yes. Now you press Enter key. Children, hope you understood about creating a basic formula in Excel. Let's end our session with the home plane. Children, answer these questions in your computer notebook. 1. Read, search and write 20 new words from chapter number 2. 2. What are the formulas and functions? 3. Draw a neat diagram and label the elements of formulas given in the computer textbook, page number 16. Children, hope you complete the home plane. Thank you.